Unit Test 1, Model Question Paper, English. 11th Standard, Time 1.5 hours, Marks 50. Part 1 is lexicals or vocabulary part. In Part 1, 16 1 marks questions will be asked. You should attend all. First 3 will be synonyms. Book back and book inside questions will be asked. There are 3 antonyms. Seventh and eighth questions are choose the correct expansion. Ninth and 10th questions are compound words. 11th and 12th questions are prefix and suffixes. 13th and 14th questions are idioms and phrase. 15th and 16th questions are preposition. In part 2, first section, you should answer any 4. There are 6 2 marks. You should write 4 2 marks. Questions are asked from poem 1. In part 2, section 2, there are 6 questions. You should write all the questions. All are 1 mark questions. In part 3, there are 3 mark questions. In part 3, section 1, there are 3 questions. You should attend 2 questions. Questions are asked from poem 1. In part 3, section 2, all are 3 mark questions. In part 3, section 2, there are 3 questions. You should attend 2 questions. Questions are asked from prose 1. Part 4, question number 44, 5 mark question. Question will be asked from non-detail 1. In part 4, question number 45, there are 2 questions. You should write any one. First question is message writing. Second question is notice writing.